Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all well. I'm not doing too bad myself. Now, I just wanted to come on to show you this sticker fun pack that I got recently. I got it about the beginning of August or the last week in July, I think it was, and this was from B&M, and I really like it. The girlies, they're just so beautiful. Look at them. Oh god, she's a superhero of some sort. She's so lovely. And their eyes are just completely ginormous. There's a mermaid here. I think she's a ballerina. Oh, they're just lovely. They're just beautiful. She's a dancer. And they're just all so beautiful. So I fell in love with this sticker pack when I saw it. And what I wanted to do, which I usually do, it's nothing new for me to do at all. Because if you're on a budget and you just can't afford to buy stickers to make, you know, planner paper clips or for your journals, then you use what you've got. So really what I would usually do is actually take these out. Get these out in a minute. Take them all out. Oops, I don't want to ruin my lovely stickers. Get these out, and then what I would do is cut these out. Aren't they just beautiful? Look at these little girlies. They're absolutely beautiful, and I can't throw this away. I just cannot throw this away. This is just too good to waste. So what I would usually do is fussy cut them all out and laminate them, and then I most probably cover the back with some felt once I've put the paper clip onto it. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to start fussy cutting everything out. This one here. Just so lovely, just can't put that to waste at all. Can't put these lovely little girlies to waste. So what I usually do is fussy cut them out, and the good thing about it, they've got the white rim around them, so it makes it so much more easier. It gives it a sort of like a nice effect when the white is around it as well. So you just fussy cut them out, and I'm getting quite used to fussy cutting. I used to be really bad at it, but now practice makes perfect. So I'm a lot better than how I was before. Let me just fussy cut these out. Have it. She lovely. Oh, she's beautiful. And I'll just round this off a little. So we've got the sharp edge off there. So she's all rounded. And isn't she lovely? Beautiful. So I'll fussy cut the rest. So there you go. They've been fussy cut. Aren't they just gorgeous? Oh, aren't they just gorgeous? She's got a big bag of hair there, big poofs of hair, and her big fringe. Oh, they're just lovely. I just love them. They just look as though they're going to come to life. So I'm going to laminate these, and we'll see how that goes. I've got some A5 laminating sheets here, but I'm going to use the A4 because the A5's a lot more expensive than the A4. You can pick up the A4 ones so cheap. I mean, I think Asda's or those supermarkets in the UK, of course, it costs maybe about £1, £1.50 for a packet of 25, you know, and I think that the A5s are a lot more, if my memory serves me right. The last time I bought them, I mean, these, I've had these for, oh God, about 3-4 years, and I've just been using them sparingly because I realized how much more expensive they are than the A4. So I know I could put the girlies into an A5 and they'll fit nicely, but it's better to just put them in, you know, an A4. Just so lovely. They're just absolutely lovely. They are, these girls. I'll just wait for the laminating machine to heat up, and be all good. There we go, it's all ready to go. Just going to run it over again and make sure that they're all sealed. And all is not lost, because you can always use this piece for a bookmark, you know, your journal, your planner, or even, you know, your books that you read. So all is not lost with this. You can always use that. So I'll just put this away. And I'll get these fussy cuts. The back is not a problem. I could even paint this, just make it look a bit pretty. Could have painted it before, you know, but I'm not bothered if the back is like this, because it's me that's using it, and I can always embellish it with something. So I'll just get these fussy cuts. And you've got to cut around the rim. There's a rim around the dolls that you have to cut outside of that rim, because if you go in there, then the laminating tend to open up. So you've got to stay outside of that rim. I've got some, well, I've chose some pink and white paper clips to go on the back. I think that's cute. And I'll just cut some felt as well to go on the back. Don't need a lot. Go onto there, and we'll do 3 pink ones for the other girls. Quite square. So we've got 1 yellow and we need 3 pinks. So just my doggy, he's right under the wheel of my chair, so I have to be so careful when I move my chair. I say this all the time in my videos, I think. Paper clips can be really expensive. They can run up into a lot of money when you're buying fancy paper clips for your planner or your journal and whatever else you like to use them for your reading books. They can turn out pretty expensive. Now I don't mind because it's only me that's using them. Perhaps if I was giving them as gifts, maybe I would have covered the back, embellished it. I most probably would have added a piece of cardstock behind there, but because it's only me, I don't mind. Never mind. Should have gone gold, the yellow. As I said, it's only me that's using them, so it doesn't matter. Don't mind. Dollop of blue. Just leave them to dry now. can even make your cover a bit smaller. It doesn't have to be that big. So there you have it. Here they are, all done. So if you have any patterned cardboard or packaging that your craft items might have come in, then this is what you can do. This is what I do. When I had my other planner, when I had this planner, isn't this cute? When I had this planner, when I was using it, I made these love heart, and I made her as well. And I made her as well. So, and they cost me nothing. And when I opened my planner, I loved looking at them. So that made me happy, and that was all that mattered. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like if you did like them or if you did like this video, and please subscribe and also click the bell in order to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for taking time to watch. Take care now. Bye-bye. Bye.